In this chapter, we are going to subscribe to the event. And as you can see, interacting with your Vue.js is pretty straightforward once you have environment set up, calling function or sending transition is not all the different from a normal web API. And this time we are going to listen for the new zombies. And in the zombie factory, you have the event, this event, new zombie. And now you are going to subscribe to this event. So we can subscribe to the new zombie event, and if there's data, get back from the back end. If you take the Solidity as the back end, it will get the return values, and it will return the values of zombie ID name and also the DNA. But now anyone who created zombies, all the users will have the alert. So this not make sense, so we can use the index. So if you look at the transfer event, that is index, and the index from and index to. So in this case, because from to are index, that means we can filter for them in our event listener in our front end. So we can filter to only fire these when underscore 2 is equals user account. So we can filter the user account, and if there's data, then it will return the value. So only this user can get the alert. We can also query the past event by using this. So because you can use this method to query the event log since the beginning times, this is a cheaper way to form of storage. Because if you save the data to the blockchain, this is very expensive. So this is better to, for example, we could use this as historical record of zombie battles, and we could create an event for every time one zombie attacks another and who won, and put the test, and at the end of the startup, and copy and paste the code block about listening for the crypto zombies events.transfer. So we can copy this and go to the end of the start app. So we're back to the index and go to the start app and start here, and then we paste, and then we go to events.transfer, and then for the line to update the UI, we copy this and paste to here.